Hello and welcome back to Plug into Tech. Today we will show you top 8 websites for graphic designers where they can get good and free resources to work on. Graphic designing reminds us of the time when we didn't have enough planning to cope up with an excellent idea or produce a smart design. The only resource we had were the high-quality free images present on the internet. Designing includes typography, photography, and illustrations of various sorts. These things combine to make up a perfect design. Fortunately, we have done some research and were able to make a list of 8 websites for free design resources and much more. Number 1. Behance. It's a very famous name amongst every designer. It's a social platform where designers show their work to the world. The designers over there share information about their work and share their process. Sometimes, the designer also share the fonts and tools that they use to design that specific project. Number 2. Dribble. Fresh designs are updated daily on this website. There's not much downloadable content on this site, but it's full of design inspiration. Many renowned graphic designers and brand ID developers can be found on Dribble sharing their top-tier work. Check this one out for unlimited inspiration. Number 3. Freepik. They are rich in graphic designs, logos, vector files, and PSD files to use in your work. About hundreds of vectors are uploaded daily. I even took a lot of help from this one in my recent work. It will be helpful for people starting on a new design. Number 4. Graphic Burger. Graphic Burger is also one of the leading online providers of designs. It lets you search through the long list of designs and choose according to your taste. Designs available in this site is free for both commercial and personal use. You can find a bunch of beautiful PSD mockups to showcase your work in a unique way. Don't forget to check them out. Number 5. Icon Finder. Icon Finder is a best resource website for free and cool icons for your designs. You can search for anything and it'll show up with many suitable icons according to your keyword. Simple structure of the website makes it user-friendly and easy to deal with. Need free icons for your project? Check them out. Number 6. Deviantart. An important website is well known among artists and designers. You can take a lot of inspiration from many artists and designers submitting their work on Deviantart. It may or may not offer downloadable files, but it's a great resource of inspiration. Number 7. Flaticon. The largest database of free vector icons with more than 70,000 icons on this website. Icons are an integral part of web design with many other uses. Number 8. Font Squirrel. The perfect website you need if you desire for a lot of fonts and typefaces. This website offers tons and thousands of free fonts. You can browse through the site and download your desired font within a matter of seconds. Final remarks. Every designer loves a good design and inspiration. Free resources not only help in altering your designs, but also help in increasing your knowledge. Everyone needs a push occasionally, and these websites are a great source of inspiration. Do you often go on a hunt for free graphic resources? Please let me know via comment section. Thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Goodbye.